rich boy smoking crackers. Why the fuck you look like that? Put your hands up on your pants, you need to go to jail for that. He must be dipping a cigarette, cause why the you look like that? He must be dipping a cigarette. Can't tell me rich ain't smoking wet. It's rich boy smoking crack. Why the fuck you look like that? Put your hands up on your pants, you need to go to jail for that. He must be dipping a cigarette, cause why the you look like that? He must be dipping a cigarette. Can't tell me rich ain't smoking wet. Hey, rich boy, I ain't seen you in a minute, boy, where you been? This ain't the way to get back into the media. Putting your hands on your parents. Yeah, you need to go to jail. You damn right. Sit in the cell. Might as well sit in the cell. What the hell? Yeah, don't get mad at them because they telling you the truth. They telling you you fell off. You had the world. You had this going, that going. Now you back at the house, or you back begging them for money or something in that type of field. They cussing you out, or you ain't doing what you're supposed to do as a man. Yeah, you can't hear the truth. You rather for us to say it. You rather for the whole world, all the media outlets to talk about you. Because look how you look. Spending all that money on them donks. What you buying all them donks from old school for? Wasting all that money on that shit. You should have bought you a truck. Yeah, you should have bought a truck, not a dunk. Yeah, trying to get white interior and this and that and waste money on bullshit that don't mean nothing. You'd already done that. When you was a rapper and you was doing your thing, you had your little hit records. You bought the cars, the clothes, the hoes, the jewelry. Chill out. Chill out. You didn't manage your money right. You didn't manage your life right. Yeah, you didn't manage your relationships right. Yeah, so what that you was still doing little songs with local artists? That didn't do you no good. Yeah, because you wouldn't be falling up with your parents. Because if you still a big dog, what they saying to you ain't mean. Now you could just walk away. Yeah, you could just walk away. But nah, you gotta hear it. You gotta sit there and hear it, and you can't take it. So now you're gonna take it on the internet. Yeah, you're gonna take it on the internet. Why do you look like that? Why do you look like a zombie? Jeffrey Dahmer ain't even look like that, and he accountable. I'm accountable, and we look better than you. So it's drugs, drugs, and these ain't no designer drugs. No, these ain't no designer drugs. You on goddamn homeless shelter drugs. Yeah, them downers. I wanna be down. It's fucking your lips up, your face, all that stuff. And when you talking about no acne, yeah, you look like shit. You look like one of them wrong turn cannibals, the Hills Have Eyes type motherfuckers. Yeah, that's what you look like. Come on, Rich. And your name Rich Boy. No, you can't take the rich off. Take that rich off, and yeah, you gotta be something else. You gotta come up with something else by the end of the video. You can't be Rich Boy no more. You something else, cause nah, rich boys don't look like that. So we can't call you that. Yeah. I don't want to just say boy, because nah, we ain't gonna do you like that. It's still gonna be disrespectful, but it's something with boy. It ain't rich though. Ain't nothing rich about you. Not your health, not your lifestyle, not you, nothing. Not your bank account, nothing. So rich what? Rich what? Yeah, you need to sell that Cadillac. Don't throw no D's on it. That's your problem. Throwing too many D's on shit. Put too many D's in females. That's your problem. You throwing too many D's on shit. Yeah, that's your issue. And that was your downfall. You see how the D work? See, throwing the D's on it got you up, yeah. But you never could get past the D letter. You couldn't get to the M, millions. The B, billions. So you went back to a dime. You went back to a dime. Now you got to hear your mama with the yip yap and your daddy with the yip yap yap yap. And now you got to put hands on a motherfucker. You got to put hands on your own parents. For what? For what? They were stealing. You had a little 100,000 saved up, a little 200,000, 150,000, 50,000, 30,000. They were stealing. That's what it is. Let me give you the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, they were stealing from you. You caught them because you were living with them, or you hide money in their house and they stealing from you with your sack. What it is. Yeah, you better say that when you get out. Yeah, but you better say. That's what you better say. They were stealing from you. You shouldn't have put them in a position. You shouldn't have your shit done. Where your bank account? Where your bank account? Or your child support? Or your IRS? Oh, I understand. Still your fault. It's still your fault. Come on, Rich, man. Like, you're supposed to know better than this shit, man. Your own parents. If it would have been a female or something, I wouldn't have said nothing. Little soft female, I would have seen it and like, it could have been anything. But your parents, I gotta speak on this. I can't let you get past. Yeah, nah. Your own parents, you can't walk away. Shh. But I'm pretty sure some niggas that disrespect you and you ain't put your hands on them. Or you did. Oh, okay. Or niggas don't play with you like that, do they? I understand. Why you looking like that? Why you in jail for that? Why you in the situation that you in? Your health ain't good. Your insides, if your outside look like that, but your insides fucked up. Well, I know your kidneys ain't good. Ooh, your kidneys ain't good. Yeah, I know your inside, your lungs ain't no good. They black as this vest. Ooh, well, yeah, I know you probably can't see good. Yeah, I know, yeah. You probably having colon cancer or something, or you probably got diabetes or something like that. Something ain't right with you, because ain't no way. If your outside of your skin looking like that, something in your insides eating you alive. And damn, got you looking like a little piranha. Man, while you sitting in jail, you better come up with a plan and get you some help and go to the doctor. Go to the doctor. I hope you ain't hitting nothing raw. You better not be raw dogging nothing. You ain't got no position to be having sex unless they gonna help you. You got some pimping in you. Is you good with that? If not, man, when you get out, man, go get your CDL, man. Go get your welding license. Go get your real estate license. Do something, man. Like, the rap shit ain't gonna work. We ain't trying to hear none of that. So you already know not to do that. We ain't trying to hear none of that. That shit over with. And we don't even care to hear that. Your hit. Throw them D's on it. We don't care to hear that. So understand that. Like, still supposed to be on the road doing that song. Yeah, you at least can open up or something. 5,000, 10,000. You done burn your bridges, or you too lazy or something. Damn, like, Fabo still doing the Laffy Taffy. He living off that one song. But he can dance and he can do all type of shit. I ain't really mean to compare you to Fabo, because Fabo way more of a hustler than you. Like, that was a bad comparison. But y'all had a hit song. Like, if he get money, you should get money. But he can put on the show. You can't. You just gonna sit there and look ugly. Yeah, that's all you gonna do. You gonna just sit there and look ugly and just talking to the mic, and then you ain't keeping your skin up. Like I said, when you talking about acting, we talking about some other shit that's eating you. Something eating you. You got a cannibal in you. You got a cannibal inside you. Something eating you alive, and we need to help you. We need to help you. Cause I ain't gotta respect you because you put your hands on your parents. They gotta do some real foul shit, like some real foul shit. Other than that, like, nah, like, you wrong. But man, dog, like, when you get out, man, go see a doctor, man. Get your shit together, man. Like, go talk to somebody, man. There's some niggas that'll help you. Go see the plug. How your face card is. Get you a brick or something. Get you a pound or something. No, not no brick. Get you a pound, a couple pounds, about 10 pounds. Play with that, man. That way, if they do come, you ain't gonna do too much time. Stay away from the dope, the hard, the fentanyl, all that stuff. Stay away from that. You might use that. You might use that. Definitely stay away from wet. Stay away from cigarettes and wet, because you might use that because you're going through a lot of shit. So, yeah, man. Get you some old Lil Boosie music, some old Tupac. Get you some Young Scooter. Get you some money, man. Get you some, shit like that. And get some money on your mind. Get up with Bandman Kelvo. Sign to his OnlyFans. Look at all the programs. Do all of them. And yeah, and get a bag, man. Get a bag, man. And yeah, like, and work your way. Work your move. Who knows? You may can come back in the game. Who knows? Can you ghostwrite? Can you make beats? Switch it up, man. Like, can you book a show? Did you learn anything when you was doing music? When you was at the top of your peak? Did you learn anything? Or you didn't? It's just buying money. You were just spending money. You weren't learning shit. You ain't really build no friendships or nothing like that. You one of them, you got an ego. You one of them type of niggas. Yeah, you ain't make the connection, so you lost it. They changed their number, and they ain't reach out to you to give you the new one. So there was no need to. So, man, it ain't over for you because you're still alive. You got kids. Hey, man, just get your shit together, man. Next time I hear about you, you better be dropping an album or construction, or you got a whole bunch of trucks or something like that, man. It need to be good news. It need to be good news. Because, hey, man, you can now afford to be going no jail. You can't be going no jail in these times, man. You already look sick. So, man, you ain't got no business in there. And stop buying don'ts and old schools and shit. Yeah, come up with a YouTube. Do something like that. Talk about the trending topics or something. You got a name, Rich Boy. There, click on it. You at least can get 50K subs. You good for 10, 20,000 views. You good for about 8,000 a month on YouTube. Good for that, ain't you? Or you want to even do that, right? Yeah, you want them type of niggas. I ain't no vlogger. But you can go to jail, though. But he ain't, but he can go to jail. And he can look like that, but he ain't no blogger. He ain't this, he ain't that. Man, I ain't driving no truck. Yeah, I ain't doing nothing. Okay. I will hit the block then. Oh, the plug ain't gonna trust you though. Why would the plug give you a brick of fentanyl? Why would they give you a brick of anything? Why? Go on, man.